Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at how to grab an image using web scraping. In the previous videos, we have seen how to grab a title and how to grab a class, right? So in this video, we'll be looking at how to go to a HTML web page and selecting all the images alone and displaying their links, right? And the next step is you can probably download them also using your Python, but in this video we'll just be seeing how to take the links, right? So this is the code that I have written, and till here it's the same in every code. So we will import requests, and from BS4 we will import Beautiful Soup, right? So inside the URL we are going to get the data from the URL. So I've defined a function for that, define get data URL, and r is equal to requests.get. We have seen in the previous videos how this requests.get works, and return r.text. Okay, so the same thing that I've done in the previous videos I've given here in the form of a function, right? So and HTML data will be equal to get data of, I'm going to give the website here. So we're going to be using a different website because we need pictures, and Unsplash is a website that gives free pictures. Like, that is not a problem when you web scrape it, so that is why I'm using that particular website. And soup is equal to Beautiful Soup of HTML data comma HTML.parser. So that is the same as the previous video, and here is where the difference comes. For item in soup.findAll of img, so in HTML, the tag that you use for inserting an image is an img tag, right? So inside the HTML parse document, if you need to find an image, it will be in the form of img and print item of src, right? So to understand that, we need to go to the website. So this is the website, unsplash.com, and this contains a lot of beautiful pictures. And to understand, we'll inspect this particular image, right? So we will go here, and as you can see, image alt is equal to there are attributes like alt and sizes and src set and everything, right? So in every image, you can see that I'll select a different image now. As you can see that this tag remains the same, img. So img is the let me zoom it so that you can see it properly. So img is the tag for images, right? So this is the image tag, and inside size we're giving the size, and src set is the source, right? So here in this, generally the attribute that has the URL for that particular image would be src, and src set also works, right? So since this web page uses src set, we can use src set or src also, right? So that is not a big deal, and we can run this code now, see if it works. And yes, it works. Now I have all the links that are being displayed line by line, right? So there are a lot of images in this page, and the list just keeps going, right? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood how to grab an image, right? So if you have a particular image also, so you can put image is equal to that particular link and you can get that image. And also, since you have the link, right, so you have the link of all the images, so you can use the requests module to actually download those images, right? So, and make sure you're downloading from an open source image, right? Like Google Photos or Google Images, or this particular website like Unsplash. There's another website called Pexels, and these websites provide free data, like free image data for us, so you can use that, right? So please work on how to use requests to download these particular images, because that will be very helpful if you're working with machine learning data that requires a lot of images to be downloaded, right? So this is where web scraping comes into play. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.